In this section, we'll be learning about some built-in data structures in Python. Firstly, we'll be learning about lists and we'll be moving towards tuples, dictionaries, sets, and many more. So first let's discuss about what are lists and how we use them. Let's define a variable named numbers which stores a list of 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you have known, we always separate a value or an object by commas. So we can know this length of this by using the len function, len, and we pass in a list. Let's print this and see whether we get required answer or not. You can see we get the output as 5. Now let's deal with some more complex list. That is, let's define a matrix, 2 by 2 matrix, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the two-dimensional list, or we can call it as matrix. So this is how we define a matrix, and we can do some amazing things with lists. We can concatenate two lists. Let's concatenate. Let's store combined equals to numbers plus matrix and print combined. Let's run this and see what we get as an output. We get the two data structures merged into together. So we can store any objects inside a list. We can manage different data types into one data type. So list is used in this way. What if you want to use a list which is having 50 zeros, which contains 50 zeros? You are not gonna write like this, 50 times 0 0 0. It's ugly and it's not a good way of writing. So let's see how we do this. Zeros equals to 1 0 and it is multiplied 50 times. And let's print this and see what we get. Zeros. Let's see what we get. We get here 50 zeros inside one list. You can see here we get 50 zeros inside one list. So this is all about the list operations. Now I would like to show you one more amazing thing with list. That is, we have a list function which converts anything into a list. Not anything, but it converts an iterable object into a list. Like you may have known, string is an iterable object. So let's convert string. Let's convert hello into a list. Let's say lst equals to this and print lst. Since list is a built-in word, so I'm using lst for list. Let's run this and see what we get. We get ELLO, that is, we get every character as an list object. So any iterable, like if you want to make the same 1 to 5 numbers into list, you can use like this. We have known about range iterable. We'll supply 1, 6, and then this is what we get, start and stop. Let's see, store this into a numbers equals to, and let's print out numbers Let's save this and clear our output screen and run this. We'll get the list of numbers starting from 1 to 5. So this is all about the list. In next video we'll be talking about some more features of list and how we can access different items from the list. See you in the next video.